We've already told you a bit about how our Muslim majority population is flexible towards all monotheistic faiths. In fact, Iranians are very curious about different religions and traditions. Amir Mehdi Kazemi's curiosity led him to this colony.
Iran is a predominantly Muslim country. More than 95% of the population of Iran are Muslims. In fact, Islam is Iran's official religion. In addition to Islam, people from other faiths also been living side by side Muslims in Iran for hundreds of years, such as the Christians, the Jews, and the Zoroastrians. But that's not all Iran has to offer in terms of ethnic and cultural diversity. And believe me when I say, this is one of the rare cases which has remained very much unnoticed until today, even in its own neighborhood. Hello.
Hello, sir.
How are you, Mr. Rosie?
Fine, fine.
Very nice to see you.
Thank you very much. This is thank you for you. Cover your head with this.
All right, thank you.
Marshal,
Thank
yes.
you very much. What did you say his name was?
This is Patka.
Patka.
Yes.
All right, thank you.
Should cover your head.
Oh, I see. Okay. In fact, we have been given exclusive access to this place, and I will have a lot to show you inside this building. So follow me. This is the Sikh Temple, or the Gurudwara, situated in the heart of the Iranian capital, Tehran. In order to arrive inside the temple, everyone must cover their heads as a sign of respect. In a few hours from now, many Sikh families will gather here in a reunion in order to take part in a special religious ceremony. The Sikhs of Iran are to some extent a closed community when it comes to exposing their personal lives and rituals to other people. I guess I was the only person who has ever had the chance to report from inside their temple in Tehran.
सीखा दर ईरान قبل از 1947 की पाकिस्तानी वजूद न بود مرز هندوستان زاهدان بود از پنجاب از توسط راه زاهدان به ایران آمدن و چون اینجا امنیت دیدن شروع به کسب کردن و سابقه ما در ایران از 100 سال به بالا هستش.
They had selected one person among themselves to speak to us. Sardar Harnam Singh Anand has been to Iran for 60 years. He's a successful businessman, but he also considers himself as a servant in the Gurudwara.
ما خدا پرستیم و خدا یکتا را میپرستیم. همینطوری که بچه مدرسه میره مخصوص یک درس یاد بگیره ما سیک یعنی ما یاد بگیریم که ما تو زندگی خداوند ما را فرستاده که ما اون چیزایی که دستور دادن اونا را همه را یاد بگیریم و پیرو اون باشیم و مثل اون زندگی خودم را اونطوری برآورده بکنیم.
For Sikh men, wearing a special turban and growing an everlasting beard is a tradition. Sikh women usually wear a modest traditional Indian dress, which is of course very colorful, in addition to a veil. The biggest Sikh gathering is held on the last Friday of every month in the Christian calendar. That is when the temple turns into a Sikh social club where many families gather for social interaction in addition to prayers. It is a good opportunity for everybody to stay connected with their roots and customs. Some members of the community usually volunteer to help out with the reception. That includes working in the kitchen, baking bread, washing the dishes, and serving food to the guests.
ایرانیان ما را دوست دارن ما ایرانیان دوست داریم و ما چون اینجا قبلا زندگی میکنیم و اینجا دوست داریم و عادت کردیم دیگر این وطن ما حساب میکنیم و ما اینجا امنیت همه چیز خیلی راضی هستیم از کشور از دولت و هیچ نوع مشکلی ما نداریم.
For many centuries, different ethnic groups and tribes migrated to Iran. They stayed here, cherished it, and later considered it as their motherland. They gradually turned into an inseparable part of Iran itself. I'm Amir Mehdi Kazemi. See you next time in Iran.